So this is the marina. Atlantis is right there. It looks so cool up at night. Really nice Hatteras next to us. And then into the big ones. There's some more right there. 75 foot. Hey, how's it going? Just a little update. We're still in Nassau. Back home, we're getting a big snow ice storm. We're getting a crazy windstorm. We have winds at, it's supposed to hit like 40, 50 knots. We're around 30 right now. Everyone's rocking. Well, these big ones aren't rocking too bad. We are. But I don't know. We're in the marina. Got like 3-footers crashing around. Pass tonight, but I'll stay up and just monitor things, make sure everything's clean, make sure nothing blows off and it's damaged, blows into us. Yeah, we're out here just to help anyone else out if they need help with something. We have a good rapport with our neighbors on both sides and behind us, so it's a nice high winds. Romeo Foxtrot's dinghies all over the place. When I say dinghy, it's a 25 or 30 foot. It's probably about a 25 foot boat. But it is pretty crazy. Good morning. Well, a lot of people are getting that crazy winter storm on the East Coast. Howling around 40 knots. The boat's tied up pretty good, got the fenders there. damage. The sunscreen fell down. No big deal, it's just a little bracket. And got a little mark on a rub rail. Lost a fender.